Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL, and today is day 29 of solving 100 questions on SQL. And the question we are going to solve today is processed ticket rate by type, and this question got asked in Meta. So the question is, find the processed rate of tickets for each type. The processed rate is defined as the number of processed tickets divided by the total number of tickets for that type. Round this result to two decimal places. Okay, so let's quickly see the table so that we can understand it better. So in this table, we have complaint ID, type, and processed column. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to calculate the processed rate. And how to calculate it? So it is going to be the number of processed ticket divided by the total number of tickets for that time. So in processed column, we have value 0 and 1. In type as well, we have value 0 and 1. So there are two types, 0 and 1. And then for that type, there are a processed value. So for example, for type 0, we have 3 rows. And in processed, we have 2 tickets. Okay, like we have 3, but value for 1 is 0 and value for 2 is 1. So it is going to be the number of processed ticket, that is, it is going to be 2 divided by total number of ticket for that type. So in that type is 0 and the number of tickets is 3. So it is going to be 2 divided by 3. Okay, and that is going to be around 0.6. Okay, so this is what we have to do. So this is a pretty simple question. What we are going to do, we are going to do group by on type. Then we are going to write down type here. And then we have to do what? We have to find out count of, not count. Type is the type of ticket. So the ticket type can be 0 and ticket type can be 1. So if ticket type is 0, there are 3 0 ticket types. So this is going to be 3. And processed is whether there is a ticket or not. So 1 is that there is a ticket and 0 is there is not a ticket. Okay. So for processed, we have to do sum so that we can get the number of tickets. So I'm going to write down processed divided by count of type. So it is going to tell us in that type number of tickets. Okay. And then we have to round it to 2 decimal places. So I'm going to write down round, comma, 2. And let's name this as processed rate. Okay. Now let's done this. So yeah, this is what we are getting. Type. In type 0, the processed rate is 0.67. In type 1, the processed rate is 0.67 as well. So this is the query. Now let's see the expected output. Yeah, in expected output as well, we are getting the same thing. So we are done with our query. Now let's submit it. So our solution got accepted. So this is how we solve this problem. This is a pretty simple question. You just have to understand difference between processed and the type, and then you can solve this problem. So I hope you understand this question. If you have any problem, you can put it in the comment section. If you have more solution to this problem, you can put that too in the comment section. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.